Okay, so it's about an hour before the bumper shows up. First thing I gotta do is get rid of that drain. That's gotta move back a little bit, but an idea how to set this up. So basically put 4x4s across and put some wood to provide support. And you can see the rebar work. I'm just inspecting. I vacuumed out some of the dirt that fell in there. Make sure I get good clearance to the bottom row of oh, looks like a mole was busy there again. Some sawdust when I sawed these off. So the plan is put some of these things in to hold the concrete back, because this does slope uphill quite a bit. And looks like my mole did not push out any dirt. Oh, and that's Mark's drain. His gutter drain's tapped into my drain pipe. I didn't know that. And here we have more of those reinforcements I put in. Climb's pretty steep. I've laid out some rebar over here, basically ready to put in. Plan is to put about a foot of concrete in here and then move down. And that's the post Janet and I brought up. An idea how it looks.